A faster way to create. Designed to be faster than any other existing web page builder, Elementor allows you to drag and drop elements, edit instantly, and publish a page with a few clicks. And with another simple click and drag, you can select and place tables, headlines, graphics, or other elements. Other visual customizations include a 100% clean pixel code, which allows you to incorporate the colors you want to give your site the design aesthetic you're looking for. In addition to eye-catching colors, you can integrate custom fonts, animated headlines, embed video sliders, and more. And if that isn't enough, get this, your custom site is fully compatible with external site functions and apps like Google Maps and SoundCloud, among others. Elementor makes building your site easy. Unlike other website building software, which often needs additional widgets to make your site stand out, this all-in-one platform has everything you need. For example, there are dozens of elements to make the process of customizing your website not only easy but also stand out from the competition. There are over a dozen themed design elements, social media integration tools, and even WooCommerce features. Even if you find that a whopping 80 design elements aren't enough, you can download and install an add-on from fan-made widgets. To make things even better, if you want to create your own widget, Elementor has a tool to allow you to do that, as well. And rather than working blind and hoping for the best, you can see what the page will look like to your site's visitors at any time during the build process. This allows you to tweak as you go. Easy to use. Elementor can seem a bit overwhelming to use at first, with so many tools and ways to construct your perfect site. Fortunately, it is intuitive to use, and there are a series of written and video tutorials which concisely show you how to use the fundamentals of the program. If you have some more specific questions, you can always contact a customer representative via email if you sign up for a trial account. And if you have a premium membership, you can get live support from Elementor staff whenever you need it. Check out my extensive 3+ hour tutorial on how to use Elementor to build a full one-page website below. Hundreds of pre-built templates. To make the process of building websites and web pages even easier, Elementor provides over 300+ pre-built templates you can choose from. You can find templates for homepages, landing pages, contact pages, about us pages, and so much more. With Elementor, you can also create reusable blocks of code and content that you can apply anywhere on your website. Classic examples of these are the header and footer blocks, which you can create once and have them appear all over your website. Incredible motion design and animation tools. Perhaps one of the key features that sets Elementor apart from other page builders. Elementor provides built-in tools with which you can style your content with beautiful design elements and powerful animations. You can change the way your content behaves based on what the user does. As an example, you can choose to have your images tilt, fade, blur, or rotate when the user scrolls down or clicks on them with the mouse. Take a look below at the animations I added to these two images using Elementor. Marketing and promotional tools. Designing a phenomenal website is great, but it doesn't matter if no one sees it. Sure, you can try to hire an SEO expert or an internet marketer to get your website more traffic, but this can be expensive. Fortunately, Elementor comes with a series of tools to help you get as many eyes on your new site as possible and also increase social engagement among your audience. For instance, Elementor has streamlined the process of integrating all of your social media platforms, and has a tool to make marketing pop-ups easier as well. In addition to that, there are a plethora of widgets to help you generate leads, boost viewer engagements, create enticing calls to action, CTAs, add share buttons, and design eye-catching article and page titles. Elementor is also fully compatible with all the major email marketing platforms such as MailChimp and ActiveCampaign. What are the users saying? With millions of customers worldwide, Elementor has earned thousands of reviews, virtually all of them good. In fact, according to their website, Elementor has earned over 3,000 5-star reviews from satisfied customers. Affordably priced. If you aren't sure about using this program, you can try it for 30 days with a money-back guarantee and get access to 30 widgets and the fundamentals of this premium drag-and-drop page builder. Priced at only $49 per year, the personal plan will allow you to build a single site and includes over 50 pro widgets and 300 templates, along with a theme, pop-up, and WooCommerce builder. Plus, you get all of these services with support and regular updates for a year. For an additional $50 per year, you get the Plus package, which includes all of those features on 3 websites. Finally, the Expert package, priced at only $199 per year, includes all of the above, with the ability to enhance 1,000 websites. Create with the help of a community. Elementor has been used by over 2 million users and has garnered quite a following among net-based entrepreneurs and business managers. Since not every business owner is familiar or comfortable with web design, there is a helpful online Elementor community. In addition to an official Facebook group for beginners, there is a developers page on GitHub, and even occasionally Elementor meetups. To accommodate an ever-growing number of users from all over the world, Elementor is available in 50 languages. A Facebook group dedicated to developing new language translations has been established and has complete RTL support. Furthermore, this program is compatible with WPML and other translation plugins. Conclusion. With more than 5+ million active installations, Elementor continues to grow both in popularity and in sophistication. The developers are also constantly adding new features, and I am really excited to see what the future brings with this amazing page builder. Click on the link in the description, so you can start using Elementor today.